It's alright. Congratulations!
Salamat.
Oh, tama ba? You got your license na. Oh, binalik niya na yan.
Yeah, thank you.
6 mistakes! Yung dashboard mo. Okay, please turn on your park lights. Park lights.
Okay,
Park
ito naman
lights.
tayo.
Yun. Headlights. All the way. Yan, wag mong gagamitin yung auto. Yung
Okay, ulitin ko kuya.
Okay, please turn on your park lights.
Park lights.
Headlights.
Headlights.
High beam. Okay, cancel please. Step on the brakes. Off the brakes. Turn signal to the left. Turn signal to the right. Okay, cancel please. Okay, please turn on windshield wiper. Oh, mali yan. 1 up lang. 1 up. Sa
Bakit
harapan.
tayo ko nakakalimutan?
Alright, please turn on your emergency parking lights or your hazards. Okay, cancel please. Okay, please point at your defroster. Okay, please point at your emergency parking brakes.
Emergency parking brakes.
Show me your hand signals, please. Huwag mo na buksan.
Okay. Left, right, slow down or stop.
Ulit.
Left, right, slow down or stop.
Alright, okay. Tapos,
Ulitin ko lang to. Okay.
oh, hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Wait nga, kuya.
Dali. Huwag mo nang gagawin yan. 1 up lang yan. Ayun. Pag ginano mo siya, likod ang nag-on.
Okay, sige doc. Doc ulit. Kuya, okay.
Okay. Pasok na si examiner. Okay, please start the car. Apak. Brakes, isang pindot na lang. Always turn signal na agad. Go to your correct speed na ulit. No Chinese. Hindi lang. Let's go make a right, please. Are you going to stop?
Yes.
Okay, so pag may sasakyan, may tao, it doesn't matter how long.
Have the right
Oh, you
way.
have to go to your correct lane, ha? Tingnan mo.
Yes.
Nag-aaway sila. Let's go make a right, please. Nice. Alright, at the stop sign, let's go make a left, please.
Oh, that's...
Merong ano yan. Kasalanan na yan pag nasobra.
Pag ganun, hindi ko naman kasalanan.
Basta you're on your correct lane. Oh, wag kang kakabig dito. Tignan mo yung malagay. Nakatabing eh.
Okay.
Yan, pag yan sinabayan mo, bagsak. Kaya dapat talagang sisilip ka dyan yung make it a point na talagang walang darating. Okay, keep going straight, please. Alright, at the stop, let's go straight. Oh, pwedeng -1 yan.
Okay.
It's alright lang. Sige lang.
Kinakabahan. Wala.
Hindi bale, basta minus lang yun. Basta ang bantayan mo talaga is critical. Minus
Hanggang
lang.
max of 15
Comical
lang
left.
ako, no?
Yeah, up to 15. If you get 15, you pass.
Ano naman yung mga
Okay, let's pull into the curb, please. Doon ka na lang kasi may mukhang
na lang. Kunwari ito yung long curve example.
Doon na lang.
Okay.
Pag may nakalabas yung mga garbage bin, hindi sila masyado maarte.
Okay.
Sige, you get closer lang.
Ayusin ko na lang.
Ang ganda naman ng garahe nito. Let's go back up, please. Ayan, alisin mo na lang. Ba't dalawang kamay?
Dalawang kamay.
Bakit dalawang kamay?
Ha?
Isa lang. Yung pwesto mo.
Nagulat naman ako tayo mali.
Bakit dalawang kamay? No, actually mali yun.
Ha?
Mali rin yan.
Bakit?
Oh, sobra-sobra na yung kabig mo. Basta
okay.
12 o'clock ka lang.
12. Okay,
Oh.
then 1.
Yung kamay mo dapat nandito or nandito.
Okay.
Kasi kanina nagagarbaba ka.
Okay.
Let's go back up, please. Sige lang. Alam mo na yan. Pakita mo lang na both ways ka, madam. Sige lang. Sige, get closer. A bit more. Sige, let's go. A bit more. Okay, a bit more. Let's go straight, please. Okay, stop the car. Yan. Basta meron silang command na nagagawa mo, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, let's pull out of the curb, please. Okay, dapat walang sasakyan sa harap at sa likod. Pag nag-change lane ka, dapat malayo yung agwat nung nandun sa harapan mo.
Okay.
Huwag mong didikitan.
Okay.
Kasi pag dumikit ka doon, pwede pa
Pwede.
mag-brake yun.
Okay.
Let's go make a left, please.
Okay, kala ko ako.
Go make a left here, please. Sabi ko doon sa sabi ko, malapit ka masyado doon sa nasa harapan mo, babagsak ka nila doon sa kasi improper distance yun eh. Ang tinignan niya lang yung sa likod. Tama yung likod. Yung
Ayun.
harap, masyado dikit na kaganyan, 1 car distance yun. Let's go straight. Hindi na siya nag-stop, diba? So yun yung mga abangan mo bukas. It doesn't matter na ikaw may right of way. Kung hindi siya safe, mag-yield ka na lang. Okay, right. Sige, gawin mo lang yung parang bukas ha, para alam ko kung correct. Galing ka na mag-drive. Magbabagsak lang sa'yo bukas yung mga uncontrolled. Kaya make sure na every time you go, traffic check ka. Especially dito kasi yung in and out may sariling entrance and exit. Ayan o, parang ganyan o. Okay lang yan, pero ang masakit yung palabas, ninakaw niya yung lane niya. Check. So, okay lang.
Pinapansin sa'yo.
Ang sistema kasi sa speed, whatever is necessary. Sino mauna?
Ako. Ay, oops.
Siya. And, oh, sige, you have to go. Change lane to the right, please. So, before ka mag-stop, tinitignan mo na yung intersection mo. Kung meron ba doon. Kung meron na bang nauna sa'yo or wala. Tapos, you go on green lang. So, make a right, please. Okay, change lane to the left, please. Change lane to the right, please. Please turn on your headlights. Turn on your headlights. Okay, all the way. Yo. Up. Check speed. Anong gagawin mo pag may ganyan sa likod harap?
Like, what you mean? That
Yung
sound?
emergency vehicle.
I have to
Pull. Pull over talaga. Huwag kang pull na nakaganon. Dapat nakaganon.
Pero kung mali yung mga sasakyan, tapos may ganun, magsa-stop lang ako, wala na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pag wala na talagang pwesto, wala na.
I'll just have to stop, right?
Stop lang. As long as hindi ka na moving, sila na yung bahalang maneuver. So,
Why nag-change lane tapos nakalimutan ko mag-signal? Bagsak na yun?
hindi naman.
Deduct.
Let's go make a right, please. Just make sure na walang nangyaring issue. Kaya parang yan, that's good, di ba? Walang problema yun. Basta pag nag-change lane ka, may kulang. Basta nag-over the shoulder ka at tama. Basta walang
Mabilis.
issue. Kasi pag binusinahan ka, yun ang issue. Doon i-assess na examiner mo kung ano ba nangyari. Baka nag-change lane ka na masyadong dikit dito. Or may pabulusok na gano'n. Hindi mo tinignan yung side mirror mo. Yun yung mga kinoconsider niya. Pero pag hindi ka nag-turn signal pero nag-over the shoulder ka naman, okay pa rin. Deduction lang
Kasi
yun.
kanina, sabi ko, shit, di ko na ganun. Kala ko na ganun ko eh.
Deduction lang yun.
Hindi ko pala siya na all the wings.
Ang mga bagsak yung hindi ka nag-over the shoulder. Oh, yan. Let's go make a right, please. Pero pinag-change lane siya ng pinag-change lane. Let's go make a right turn, please. Hanggang umabot siya ng 16
16 na.
mistakes. Oh, anong gagawin mo?
Check na.
Yes, full stop yan kasi it's a red light. Sila ang naka-green arrow yan. Nice. Oh. Yan, once you're... Alright, pero alam mo pwede ka pa konti dito para kita mo sila masyado. Ganyan no. Yan, you have to see them. Yan, pag wala na, you can go na. Just don't oversteer or understeer. Ayun. Change lane to the left. Alam mo sabi ng examiner, you don't know how to change lane. Sabi niya. You don't know how to look over the shoulder. Ngumiti lang yung lalaki. So, binagsak siya just because para lang mag-practice siya pa siya na
Parang inano siya.
Oo, hindi ka pwede ipasa, sabi niya, kasi hindi ka marunong mag-over the shoulder. Although magaling ka mag-drive, sabi, hindi mo na meet yung requirement na you have to know how to over the shoulder. So you have to practice first. I'll fail you this time. Pinag-change lane siya 6 times. Let's go change lane to the left, please. Oh, see, ngayon puro siya over the shoulder. Yun ang pinractice lang niya. Let's go make a left, please. Dito pag may tumatawid yun. Let's go make a right. Oh, baka minus yun. Okay, let's go make a right. Go to the left lane, please. Yan, pag natama mo yung curve dito, baksak na. You always go in the middle. Tapos
So dito ako.
ikot. Yeah, yan. Sige, let's go make a left. Sige, all the way yan. All the way. Huwag kang pupunta doon kasi huwag mo sasalubungin yung arrow mo.
Yeah.
Wrong way yun. Pag ano, dito ka lang sa may. Dito, sa gitna.
Dito na sa gitna. Wala, hindi ba two-way yun?
Hindi, that's one way lang.
One way, okay.
Tapos dito ka sa kaliwang arrow.
Dito.
Para meron kang,
Meron akong...
oo,
okay.
at least na allowance. Oh, hindi ka nag-stop.
Pala.
Bagsak yun.
Okay, fine.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Huwag kang
Kakabahan.
kakabahan. Basta nakita mong stop sign, you stop. Dito siya bumagsak. Hindi siya nag-stop, which is automatic fail yung mga yan. Nag-go lang siya gano'n. Thank you. Yay! Congratulations!
Naiyak ako, sorry.
It's alright.
Kinabahan kasi ako.
Congratulations!
Thank you, salamat.
Oh,
Thank
tama po. You got your license na. Oh, pinalik niya na yan.
Yeah, thank you.
6 mistakes. That's too high. Woohoo! Congratulations!
Salamat po yan.
Alright, so we got your license. Let's go! Oi! Newest licensee! Yay! Congrats!
After how many weeks of practicing?
Yeah. Well deserved. This concludes our episode for today. Congratulations, Miss Lilibeth, for a job well done. It's just a matter of really going for it. Just go for it. It's something that we have to go through. We have to get license, and being nervous is part of it. So it's gonna be alright all the time. Just think, and keep thinking when you're driving. Alright, so congratulations, Miss Lilibeth. This is TUK TV, and until next time, bye for now.